Starting a towing business involves significant upfront expenses that are essential for launching a successful operation. The largest portion of the startup costs comes from acquiring tow trucks and equipment. Depending on the type of tow truck, prices can range from 25,000 to 150,000, with the flatbed, hook and chain, and wheel lift trucks being the most common options. Additionally, towing equipment such as chains, straps, and safety tools will add another 2,000 to 5,000 to the budget. Beyond equipment, securing necessary licenses and permits is a critical step. In the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, tow truck drivers typically need a commercial driver's license, also known as CDL, or an equivalent, and the business itself will need to comply with regional licensing requirements. Insurance, including general liability and vehicle insurance, is another key cost, protecting the business from potential risks. To manage these expenses, entrepreneurs may consider financing options, leasing tow trucks, or buying used vehicles to reduce costs. By understanding these startup expenses, new towing businesses can plan effectively, avoid unexpected costs, and set a solid financial foundation for long-term success. Daily operations in a towing business involve several key components that ensure smooth service delivery. The most important aspect is dispatching, where efficient coordination between customers and drivers is essential. GPS-enabled dispatch software helps track truck locations, manage customer requests, and assign jobs based on proximity and availability. This ensures faster response times and reduces delays caused by traffic or other road issues. Maintaining regulatory compliance is another critical aspect of daily operations. Towing companies need to ensure that their vehicles undergo regular inspections and meet safety standards. Compliance also involves keeping accurate records of driver working hours and vehicle maintenance, which are mandatory in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. In addition, securing service contracts with local businesses, government entities, and roadside assistance programs is essential for generating consistent revenue. These contracts typically outline service terms, including response times and pricing. By focusing on efficient dispatching, adhering to regulatory requirements, and securing reliable service contracts, towing businesses can build a reputation for reliability and maintain smooth daily operations. Hiring the right employees and providing them with proper training are vital for running a successful towing business. Tow truck drivers in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia must possess a valid commercial driver's license, also known as CDL, or equivalent, should have a clean driving record. Conducting thorough background checks ensures the safety of the business and reduces liability risks. Once hired, employees should receive comprehensive training that covers towing procedures, safety protocols, and customer service skills. Training programs often include both classroom instruction and on the job experience to help new hires become proficient with the necessary equipment. Certifications like Rec Master or similar certifications in the UK and Australia enhance professionalism and credibility. Retaining employees is equally important, especially in a demanding industry like towing. Offering competitive wages, benefits, such as health insurance, and creating opportunities for career growth, such as promotions or performance based bonuses, can reduce turnover. By investing in well trained, motivated employees, towing businesses can maintain high service standards and minimize accidents, ultimately leading to greater customer satisfaction. While starting a towing business requires significant initial investment, there are several strategies to reduce startup costs without compromising service quality. One of the most effective ways is to buy used equipment and tow trucks. Many reputable dealers offer second-hand vehicles that have been reconditioned to meet safety standards, allowing new businesses to lower their capital expenditure. Additionally, purchasing warranties or service contracts can help reduce future repair costs. Leasing equipment is another viable option for businesses that want to spread costs over time. Leasing can be particularly beneficial for startups needing to manage cash flow carefully, and it provides flexibility to upgrade vehicles more frequently. Before committing to leasing, businesses should compare the costs with buying to determine the best long term solution. Streamlining operations can also reduce ongoing expenses. Implementing dispatch software and automating routine tasks can improve efficiency, minimize labor costs, and optimize resource allocation. Lastly, outsourcing non-core tasks such as marketing, bookkeeping, and IT support allows towing companies to focus on the primary services while reducing overhead. Fuel is one of the most significant operating expenses for a towing business, but implementing fuel saving strategies can help reduce costs. One of the easiest ways to improve fuel efficiency is through driver training. Teaching drivers to minimize idling time, maintain steady speeds, and use cruise control on highways can lead to substantial fuel savings. Monitoring driver behavior through telematics can also help identify areas for improvement, such as reducing excessive idling or hard braking. Regular vehicle maintenance is another crucial aspect of fuel efficiency. Keeping tires properly inflated, changing oil regularly, and performing engine tune-ups can significantly improve a tow truck's fuel economy. Proactively maintaining vehicles not only reduces fuel costs but also extends the lifespan of the fleet and minimizes breakdowns. For towing businesses looking to make a long-term investment, hybrid and electric tow trucks are an excellent option. Although the initial purchase price is higher, these vehicles can dramatically reduce fuel costs over time and may qualify for tax incentives or grants. By adopting fuel efficient practices, towing businesses can save money while maintaining high performance. Understanding and utilizing tax incentives and deductions is a key strategy for towing businesses to reduce their financial burden. In the US, the Section 179 deduction allows businesses to deduct the full purchase price of qualifying equipment, such as tow trucks, from their taxable income in the year the equipment is placed in service. Similarly, the UK, Canada, and Australia offer capital allowances which allow towing companies to deduct equipment costs over time. Another valuable tax benefit is fuel tax credits, which are available to towing companies that use fuel for off highway or government related operations. Keeping detailed records of fuel usage can help businesses claim these credits and reduce overall fuel expenses. In addition, businesses can deduct vehicle depreciation and maintenance costs, which helps recover part of the investment in their tow trucks. By working with a tax professional and maintaining detailed records of expenses, towing companies can maximize these tax benefits and improve their cash flow. Reducing operating costs in a towing business often involves negotiating better deals with suppliers and making bulk purchases. Establishing long-term relationships with suppliers such as fuel distributors or tire manufacturers can lead to discounted rates and more favorable payment terms. For instance, businesses that consistently purchase from the same supplier may be able to lock in lower prices and avoid fluctuations in market rates. Bulk purchasing is particularly effective for fuel and tires, which are recurring expenses for towing companies. By analyzing fuel and tire usage patterns, businesses can determine the appropriate amount of inventory to buy in bulk without overstocking. Purchasing in larger quantities often qualifies for discounts or promotions, resulting in significant savings over time. Successful supplier negotiations require understanding the supplier's pricing model and leveraging your purchasing volume. By consolidating orders and negotiating flexible payment terms, home businesses can reduce operating costs and improve cash flow. Cross-training employees and encouraging multitasking are effective strategies for improving workforce efficiency and reducing labor costs in a towing business. Cross-training involves teaching employees to perform tasks outside their primary role, such as training tow truck drivers to handle basic dispatching or administrative duties. This ensures operational continuity even when the key staff members are absent or during peak periods. Combining roles is another cost saving measure. For example, an employee responsible for dispatching can also take on customer service duties during off peak hours. This strategy reduces the need for additional staff while improving response times. By implementing a cross-training program, towing businesses can operate with fewer employees, which is particularly beneficial for small or growing companies. Multitasking not only reduces labor costs but also creates a more versatile workforce, improving overall operational flexibility. A preventive maintenance program is essential for reducing vehicle breakdowns, avoiding costly repairs, and extending the lifespan of a towing fleet. Scheduling regular maintenance tasks such as oil changes, tire checks, and engine inspections ensures that vehicles remain in optimal condition and reduces the likelihood of unexpected downtime. Using maintenance management software can streamline the process by tracking vehicle service history, setting reminders for upcoming inspections, and generating reports on maintenance costs. This helps businesses stay proactive in addressing potential issues before they escalate into expensive repairs. Preventive maintenance also helps businesses avoid emergency repairs, which are often more costly and disruptive to daily operations. By maintaining detailed records of all maintenance activities, towing companies can monitor vehicle performance and ensure compliance with safety regulations. Marketing is essential for any towing business, but it doesn't have to be expensive. Utilizing free or low-cost marketing channels can help businesses reach a larger audience without the significant financial investment. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or X provide cost-effective ways to engage with potential customers and share updates and showcase services. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Yelp or Google My Business can also help boost online visibility and attract new clients. Additionally, implementing a referral program that rewards customers for referring others can organically expand the customer base. Listing your business on free online directories further enhances your visibility. making it easier for potential customers to find your services. By combining social media engagement, customer reviews, and free listings, towing businesses can build a strong online presence and attract more customers without spending heavily on advertising.